It's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So all you motherfuckers better make a bitch feel right. It's a freaky celebration in a natural kind. I don't know the fucking lyrics, but I'll blow your mind. It's a fly. Na 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 na, it's a fly. There's a fly on my counter, bitch. There's a fly, a motherfucking fly, and it's dead as fuck. And that shit is dead, nigga. What the fuck? This disgusting, toxic waste of a fucking app. Hey, Periscope, fucking ban me from this app. I hate this app. Oh, I'm ready. Fucking give it to me, dude. Hate this fucking app. Trash. Horrible app. How's everybody doing, though? Because I know fucking it's not good on here still. There's no way. Don't fucking come for me like I look like fucking, what's that one bitch who makes the fucking pastries? Who's that one white bitch that does the pastries? Fuck. What the fuck is that bitch's name? You're the one that did the pastries with fucking, who does the cooking and she went to jail? I don't know. I look like fucking Diane Sawyer or whatever the fuck I look like. Yeah, Periscope is a cesspool and I'm fucking here. I'm part of it. Martha Stewart. Yeah, fucking I look like Martha Stewart, but don't fucking listen. You can't come for me. Dude, I'm back. I'm fucking back, bitch. Martha Stewart. That's what the fuck I look like, dude. When I pull it back like this, I look like I make fucking cakes. Yeah, I got off Instagram for this. And you know what's so dope about it? I only have 150 fucking viewers. Dude, I feel like, it's so cool. It's like, I feel like fucking, I feel brand new. I feel like I'm back to square one. It's fucking nice. It's like refreshing, you know? It's a nice little vibe, you know? Nice little aesthetic. Dude, fucking crazy. Oh, what the fuck? Stupid sluts. Hey, guess what? What's up, Periscope? I hate you. I fucking hate you, Periscope, so much. Thing is, those fucking views are just gonna keep climbing, too. Thing is, Periscope is related to Twitter, right? Periscope is an extension of Twitter in some form. It's a fractal of Twitter. That's why I fucking hate Periscope. Hate Periscope, dude. I got off Instagram to come onto Periscope to then complain and describe my hate for Periscope about Periscope. My banana skirt is fucking, I don't know where the fuck it is. What kind of changes? I'm growing pubic hair. It's hella weird. It's like a new thing that I've been going through where like my fucking, dude, it's weird. My goo-goo. Dude, my goo-goo looks so different from when I was like when I was a kid. It looks so weird. I don't like it. It's weird. But you know, your dad likes it, so that's nice. It's like a, you know, that's an upside. Whatever. Point is, I'm back. I'm fucking in full effect. And I hate it. And I hate this app. And I just fucking am having a horrible time. And I hope you guys are having a horrible time too. It's Modelo time, fool. No, I'm a Doja Cat impressionist. I get paid for this too. God, and this is the exact reason why I hate Periscope so goddamn much. It's so crazy. Hey, what do you think will happen if I share my Periscope on Twitter? The end of my career? I'm signed to your dad's label to Wiggle My Dick Records, to Jiggle My Balls Records. I'm signed to that. I hate Periscope because I remember like being like 19 and triggered every time I'd come on here. People would be like, "What's up, you ugly fucking muffin top fucking dragon?" And I'd be like, "Oh my god, how could you say that?" And so I just have embedded in me a deep hatred for Periscope. But that's fine, you know, to call someone a fucking muffin top dragon. It doesn't matter. That's not even that hurtful, dude. You can say so much worse. I don't like Periscope because it's kind of like, okay, if there are better things, then you can say, then you can talk shit. But there is nothing, I mean, back when there was nothing better, it was everything. But now I'm like, for sure, word, Periscope? Watch this, peace. And I fucking went straight to Instagram Live, dude. It was a little bit of a rocky transition, but I'm fucking on Instagram Live now. All I do is Instagram Live. I don't fuck around with that Periscope bullshit. I'm on Instagram a day, you know? That's all I do, dude. I don't fucking need that Periscope shit. But, I mean, obviously, tonight, since I'm having, it's Modelo time, I do. So, fuck it. Anyway, if you don't know who I am, put a 1 in the chat, because that's going to be refreshing. God, that's so fucking, it feels so fucking good, dude. To see people not know who the fuck I am. What's up? Yo, what's up, dude? So today, if y'all don't know, who's Juan? I don't know, dude. All I know is this is my limit. I gotta go. I love you. I'm pretty fucked up right now. You guys take care of yourselves. Eat lots of bread. And work out. All right. Goodbye.